Today I'm going to show you how to make yuca, cassava, with onions on top. Delicious. Let me show you pasito a pasito. First, we're going to need the yuca. I'm going to be using frozen yuca. Let's put them to boil with a little bit of salt. We're going to boil them for a good 30 minutes until fork tender. While our yuca is cooking, we're going to need a red onion. And we're going to slice our onion. Let's fry our onion. To our pot, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now we're going to add our onion. To the onion, we're going to add a little bit of black pepper. You can add a cupful of vinegar. I like to squeeze a green lime. And we're going to add a little bit of salt. Now we're going to stir. If you don't want to add so much pepper, you don't have to add so much pepper. When it starts to look like this, it's done. The yuca is done. Now, the yuca has like a root in the middle. Try to remove that part. To the yuca, we're going to add the onions on top. And a nice fried egg. Look at this yuca with onions. Qué ricura.